These are the elevators here at 1 North Meridian here in downtown Indianapolis, Indiana. Check out what we have here. Some vintage Otis. Up is here. Look at that cab. That's awesome elevator right there. Very nice elevator, even though it's up level. Thank you, I got it. Got it? Yep, I got it in here. Let's go. 6 works. Let's try. Let's try 9. Oh, we're going out. Look at this awesome elevator. Now this is truly what I call an elevator. 1. Look at this beautiful buttons now. Oh, this black button. Found 2 vintage elevators today. Definitely do like this. Basement is keyed off. Let's go to 9. You're 9. There it is. That's from the 60s. I think it's modded in the 60s. No. Adam's crap on there. But other than that, this thing is still original. Look at that. That's falling apart right there. Love the tray lighting, the indicator, the buttons too. Now this is high quality right here. This is how to keep an elevator original. Here we one. Turn around here. Hold on. There we go. Look at that up there. You can see up the shaft a little bit. But pushing out. Not really easy for me to get out, but I'm fine because I want to. Oh, look at that. The up arrow lights up. That's pretty cool. I guess there's 1 North Meridian. Guess that's gonna be it.